So Kangsi, first of all, you can unmute your mic and camera start kar dijiye, and then you can share with your presentation. Go ahead.
Good morning, everyone, my friends and sir. So today my topic is the vaccine and how it works in our body. So let's get started. So, sir, is it visible?
Yes, visible and you are audible.
Okay. So here's my
आप
presentation.
ऐसा कर सकते हो, ऊपर जो वीडियो वाला लिंक है ना उसके ऊपर क्लिक कर दो तो प्रेजेंटेशन पूरा हो जाएगा, आपको फुल स्क्रीन में दिखेगा.
Yes, sir, I'm doing that.
ओके, ठीक है, डन. यस.
So first, let's see how is the structure of coronavirus. As you can see, the outer part of coronavirus, that is called spike protein, it is the main reason how it enters our body. It cannot enter by through any other part of our body, but it can only enter through the lungs, as the cells of lungs are very sensitive. So the outer part is spike protein, and the inner layer that you can see over here, that is RNA, which is used for the generation of the same type of virus throughout our body. So within a day or week, the virus multiples by double or triple. That is, it gets lakhs and crores cells in our body with the help of the ribosomes. So it starts producing its own photocopy, and by replacing our own DNA. Now, the other slide is about how it attacks our lungs. Usually, there are receptors present in our lungs. Here you can see the receptors. These are called the receptors of the lungs. Through these receptors, receptors, what it does that they catch the virus, and through the receptors, the virus enters our cells. And as you can see over here, that this is a human cell. These are the receptors of the lungs, and actually the human cell, the cell membrane doesn't allow the virus to pass through it, as it is partial permeable. That means that it only allows some special substances to pass through it, but the receptors can easily catch whatever is around them. So the receptors catch this, and what actually happens that the coronavirus reaches the nucleus, and it asks the nucleus to make photocopies. The photocopies, then it goes to ribosomes. The main function of ribosomes is to do the protein synthesis, but what the coronavirus does, it replaces the protein and it sits over there, and then the ribosome starts producing coronavirus. So here you can see that through the receptors, it goes under the cell, and then it passes, and it produces millions of same cells. The second, and so the body can't fight against it. So the immune system start to work, and once the immune system starts, the body gets high temperatured, because it is such a mechanism in our system that if any other unlike substance and or virus or bacteria enters our body, then the immune system fights against it, and the temperature gets high, so that if any small virus has entered, then it can be killed by the temperature, but the coronavirus cannot be killed by such temperature which our body produces. So actually what the body instructs the immune system, that start making the antibodies. So here you can see these are the antibodies. This green colored part is the antibodies. What actually the antibodies do is that it stick to the outer layer that is called spike protein of the coronavirus, and it sticks to that means it restricts them from entering through the receptors into the cell. So through this, the antibodies stops it, but the number of antibodies depends upon the immune system that we have. So actually what this vaccine does is that it helps our body to produce more and more antibodies. Through this, the virus that is entered cannot even go into the lungs, and it only moves and dies after a few days, because the antibodies capture this cell. The second is how human body is made. Usually human body has DNA, while the corona cell has RNA. DNA is double-threaded structure, as you can see over here. It is a double-threaded structure, whereas RNA is single-threaded structure. So RNA takes lesser time than to be produced than the DNA. So the corona can easily make its own cells as many times as it wants within a few days, and it starts getting produced in our body. So in India, usually, as I shown you earlier, two vaccines are there. First is Covishield, and second is Covaxin. Covishield is prepared by Serum Institute, and Covaxin is prepared by Bharat Biotech. Both vaccines are almost of similar type. So what in India, what the scientist has done, that I'll inform you. In India, same coronavirus is used. The same coronavirus they took, the scientists in India, they took the same coronavirus, this one, and then they removed the inner part, that is RNA, which is the only reason which causes the harm to our body. So they made it weak. The scientists made the coronavirus weak and added it into the vaccine, and then they inserted the vaccine in our body. So when the vaccine enters our body containing of a weaker coronavirus, the antibody starts gathering around the virus, and over here it starts gathering around the virus, and as compared to earlier, the virus is weaker now, so it becomes easy for the antibodies to block it and prevent it to enter the cell. And also in the vaccine there is a presence of such type of chemicals that stimulates increase in antibodies. So it, even on one side the weak corona is inserted, and on the other side antibodies helps us to fight against it. Meanwhile, when the actual coronavirus comes, then at that time our body is full prepared to fight against it, as it has before already fought against the duplicate coronavirus. In India, this type of concept is used, but while in foreign countries, they have used a different kind of concept where they have produced a duplicate of the coronavirus, and they have inserted that duplicate virus. While in India, the same coronavirus is inserted, only they have weakened it and inserted it so that the body can fight against it. So the first dose can be taken at any time. From 1st May, the government has started as per following the module of Israel, the government has started to vaccinate the people above 18 years and who are adult. And the second dose can be taken after 28 days to 40 days, means a month. The second dose is to be taken after 28 days or 40 days. Even the scientists are assuming that they can even mismatch the doses. For example, in US, the vaccine name is Pfizer. and in Russia the vaccine name is Sputnik V, whereas in India we have Covishield and Covaxin. So the scientists are planning to give different doses, means first dose of Covaxin and another dose of Covishield. So it is believed that it gets effective if two different doses of two different vaccines are given. So it is assumed that it can be more effective than which than if it is given only single dose, only same doses of one vaccine. So that's it. That's how the vaccine works, and everyone must take it as early as possible, because a person who takes vaccine may get the coronavirus, may be infected due to coronavirus, but that person doesn't die because of the virus. That is the main benefit, and everyone are afraid of getting it, but it doesn't have that many side effects. So everyone must get only high fever and rarely a headache. So everyone must get it and done, as the government, to support the government. And as you all know that the first vaccinated, that Israel has vaccinated all its population excluding the children. So following its model, the government in India has started doing the same. So thank you all. This is all from me. Thank you for listening to me, and thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to present my ideas.
Okay. Again, excellent by Kansi. Very nice presentation, very nice information.
Thank you, sir.
Again, same like Vaibhavi, Kansi also done a great job, great presentation, completely spoke in English, wonderful presentation, and also used pen. That is one additional point to tick mark and show the information or picture properly. So again, very nice information. I'm happy that being a commerce student, you all give excellent efforts to understand the science. किस तरह से बायोलॉजिकल ये सब चीजें होती है, वर्ड्स होती है जो कि हम लोग ज्यादातर डील नहीं करते हैं, बट इट प्रूव्स दैट कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट कैन डू एनीथिंग. हम लोग कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. थोड़ा और ज्यादा रखेंगे तो आप लगता है कि वैक्सीन भी बना सकते हो. चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. बहुत ही अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन था दोनों का अभी तक. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन है हेत का. हेत.
यस सर.
देखो एक बात मैं आपको क्लियरली कर दूं कि लैंग्वेज इज नॉट अ बैरियर. कोई भी स्टूडेंट पीछे का है तो वो ये ना सोचे कि अगर आगे के सब इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हैं तो हमको भी इंग्लिश में ही बोलना पड़ेगा. नो, देयर इज नो लैंग्वेज बैरियर. यू कैन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश और हिंदी और गुजराती, वॉट एवर लैंग्वेज यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन. सो यू कैन यूज योर ओन लैंग्वेज. इंपॉर्टेंट ये है कि आप लोग अच्छे से अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करो. इवन इफ सम स्टूडेंट हैज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड एनी प्रेजेंटेशन एंड वांट टू गिव ओरल स्पीच, दे कैन. आप सिर्फ स्पीच देना चाहते हो, बताना चाहते हो, कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है. कोई हेजिटेशन नहीं रखना है कि मैंने प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं बनाया, मैंने तो स्पीच रेडी की थी तो क्या मैं करूं. अरे बिंदास कर सकते हो. आपने नोटबुक में लिखा है तो उसका फोटो शेयर करके मैं समझा सकता हूं, आप वो भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है. हर एक स्टूडेंट अपने कैपेसिटी के हिसाब से, अपने इंटरेस्ट के हिसाब से प्रेजेंटेशन देने की कोशिश करे. आप अभी जो दोगे उससे आगे बढ़ना है. आप अभी डर के रुक जाओगे तो फिर आगे का लेवल पहुंच ही नहीं पाओगे. ठीक है. तो हर एक स्टूडेंट जिसने भी कोशिश की है बनाने की, प्रिपरेशन की, इवन 2 लाइन भी प्रिपेयर की है तो वो भी बोले. ठीक है. चलिए. सो नाउ लेट